blah blah blah. Oh wow, you see, when I'm saying that the exhaust sounds sublime. For the interested ones, is a Leo Vinci one, which is absolutely glorious. Leo Vinci have a nice history, right, in racing and all sorts of this stuff. Is an Italian company, which Italians, we know, they all have style, right? It's not like obnoxious loud to get you tired. It's just exactly when it needs to be, right? When you rev the engine and you shift the gears, especially with the quick shifter, it's like wow. Sounds so, it's a bit addictive though.